I'm gonna watch this SML video. I hate ads. I'm not gonna wait forever. There we go.
Guys, today's my birthday! Happy birthday, dude! Thanks, Joseph! Wait a minute, Cody.
Well, I was going to, but then Joseph said it first, and the way he said it was so loud that I couldn't say it, so I just figured I'd hang back and say it later.
So you're not going to tell me happy birthday on my birthday?
Well, happy birthday.
Hey!
But no, Junior, birthday is one word.
Well, it's 2 words. Oh, okay, look. Cody, listen to this. When women have a baby, it's called...
Birth. Forget your birthday.
Let's get right into it. As you guys remember, I played the JEFFY mod, and it wasn't that bad. I loved it because JEFFY's from SML. I love that channel. I'm like a huge fan, and I always watched SML. And you guys might remember that I died in one song. That it was about Bootleg JEFFY trying to throw mayo Marvin. So this is revenge and part 2 of me playing SML versus Bomber Gaming FNF versus SML. Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the tutorial. Bomber Gaming here, and this is Bomber Gaming FNF versus JEFFY part 2. So let's get right into the song I couldn't beat. So here's where we left off. Fraud song. So let's put these songs on hard. We just gotta finish 3 more songs and we're done with this mod, so let's get right into it. A cutscene. Let's watch the cutscene. Psych, I lied. Let's start with the song. Oh my god, I made it! I made it! Oh my god, I'm about to die. What? Oh my god, again? Oh my god. Here I go. Misses? Are you serious? Oh my god. Oh, here's a knife now. Here's a knife now. Don't tell me he's gonna be throwing knives now. Oh my god. I am not excited for that next song. At all.
1, 2, 3, go!
Demented song. Okay. There's like a remix of the last song. Oh, he's still holding that knife. What are you gonna do with it? Stab me with it? Calm down, I don't want any trouble. This is easy, not gonna lie. Easier than the last song. What's the next song gonna be? He's still holding that knife and I don't know what's gonna be next. Oh! No way! What? No! God! No! Well, this is kind of cool, but don't throw the knife, please. Oh my God. Hey buddy, what are you gonna do with the knife, right? What are you gonna do with it? Come on, Marvin. Let's stick together so we cannot get stabbed by this bootleg Jeffy. Bootleg Jeffy, I love you. I love you. But please don't kill me. I love you with all my entire heart. I don't even know what I said. I love you. Oh my God. Yo. Lucky the creator of this mod didn't add some errors you should impress, like the mayo and in the first song we played. Oh my God. Guys, guess what's time for? Goodbye, Jeffy. Psych, I will keep him here only because I love SML. I'm a big fan of SML. And make sure to check their channel because they got a lot of good and funny videos. Yeah, they have a lot of funny videos. My favorite one is Brooklyn guys Thanksgiving. Oh my god, her mother and Jonathan are so funny. I'm not gonna tell you much about it because if you wanna know about it, check the channel and subscribe to the channel to this channel because yeah, they got some really funny and good videos, and I want you to also subscribe too. Make sure to subscribe to John's World too. I actually help him make videos. You can see here his videos. The reason he hasn't been posting is because they don't let him post. But make sure to subscribe to this channel. Sorry guys, I just needed to pause the video because I was talking to my cousin. Make sure to subscribe to this channel. And do you see that logo? I actually drew that in John's World. He only has 2 subscribers. Make sure to subscribe. Wait, am I subscribed?
Calla.
Wait, am I subscribed?
Estoy tomando el sol.
You can see, I forgot to do that. So you can see, here are my Angry Birds plush. Yeah. So yeah, and I also want you to subscribe to the Squids because he's my friend and he only has 58 subscribers and he doesn't post a lot. Not gonna lie, he just posted this last thing. What is this? Whatever that was weird. But make sure to subscribe to this channel. And also make sure to subscribe to Blaze Gaming. Oh wow, he hasn't been posting since 2 months ago. What's going on with all my friends? Except John's World, I understand. They don't let him post videos anymore. But Squids and Blaze Gaming. Squids hasn't even posted almost a month. And Blaze Gaming hasn't posted since 2 months ago. Wow. But yeah, I still subscribe to their channel because they have really good content. But you should more subscribe to this beautiful channel, Bomber Gaming. You can see I just posted 2 videos right now. With this one, there's 3. My brother Woody is corrupted by Lemon Demon 15 minutes ago. Oh, I just got 1.57k subscribers. I want to thank you guys for getting me that far. I didn't think I was gonna get that far. But oh my god, a lot of you liked my drawing. A lot of you really liked my drawing. So yeah guys, if you want me to continue making FNF videos, just like and subscribe and see you on the next video.